here. So soon we will start our free webinar. I want to hear you. Write me, please. Do you hear me correctly? So soon we will start. Write into the chat. Write into the chat. Do you hear me? And see me. If yes, we will start. Okay, I would open charts at this moment. Okay. Hi guys. Write please. Where are you from? Write what currency pairs you would like to see. Also push like button and we will start. Great. We will start from Euro USD because it is the most popular currency pair in the world. And take a look what happened on Friday. Price made a fake broke of this key level. Daily candle close above. It is a huge chance that price will do second wave. Mostly in FX in all markets, price moves with cycles. For example, the one move cycle, after that pullback, and after that second cycle. And I think on Euro USD will be that stuff. That's why the best will be if the price will make some pullback to this key buy zone, and after that you will be able to open buy. First goal will be 1.1263, second 1.1323. It will be the best places to set proper goals. About sell, it is not good to even to think about sell at this moment, because really good sell will be when price will hit this key level, this zone, and will make something like fake broke. Only in that case we will be able to open sell, or if the price will move up to this high near that level, we also will be able to open sell. Hi from Turkey. I'm from Ukraine. Great to see you here. Yes, and yes, friends. Great. Right, please. Is it clear about Euro USD? Maybe you have some questions. Just write clear. I get it. Hello. Nice to see you here. Nazir. Nazir, hello. My name is Yuri. Friends, clear. Thanks. Great. Let's continue to other currency pairs and we'll see what's going on. Next will be British pound. As you see, British pound made that cycle, two-wave cycle. And at this moment to open buy from these points, it will be really bad, because after such moves, price always can make a pullback or will make some range, for example, something like this, and only after that British pound will be able to continue, because to move the price, big players need to accumulate the volume. That's why I would recommend to do in two cases. First, if the price will make some pullback to this key level, from which, take a look, price bounced so many times, after some little accumulation, you will be able to open buy. It will be first entry. Second entry is hard. It's hard to find at this moment, because price moved up a lot. In one day, British pound moved near 200 pips. After such moves, there could be really different stuff. Price can continue up move, and after that make a powerful pullback, something like that. I recommend to all of you to find a key places where everything will be clear, because as a trader for you, it's important to understand your risk. That's why the best option will be if the price will make some range and you will see limit level like here. Take a look on this. I I will open daily chart. You will see it better. Take a look how many daily candles just bounced from one key level. The same stuff I recommend to wait here, because to open buy here, not good. Price can make powerful pullback and your risk will be too high. About potential up move, price can hit this key level and make a powerful pullback. That's why wait when price will show some certainty after that open entry. Emu, my name is Yuri, because it's name of company. It's nice to see that Canada here with me. And right, please, is it clear about British pound? Maybe you have some questions. Also, if you want me to analyze some currency pair on instrument which you like to trade, just write it here, because mostly I do major currency pairs, so oil, gold indexes, and some cryptocurrency pairs. Okay, let's open Japanese yen. About Japanese yen, price bounced from this key level, key zone, is better to say. A huge chance that price just will continue down move to this, to the border of this huge range. Um, at this moment, it is not good to open sell at current price. Let's open lower time frame structure. Best will be if the price will make some pullback, and after that pullback, you will open sell. It will be the best structure, because take a look on how price moves. They're always down move, pullback, down move, pullback. The best for you will be if you will after some pullback will open sell entry. To think about buy, it's not good, because movement down at this moment. There are only two places on the chart where you can try to open some buy entries. First place, it is near this key level. If the price will make something like this, you will be able to open buy. And second is here, about near border of this. From I personally will not open entry here, because it is uh, it is not powerful level. It's inside level between in the range. Really good place will be here, because a lot of people set their stop losses under this level, and if big players will hit it, they will accumulate huge amount of volume and will be able to move the price into their direction. Okay, yes, I will do CAD, of course. For start, we will do major currency pairs, and after that we will do all other stuff. Okay, Canadian dollar. If be honest, Canadian dollar is really horrible at this time to trade, all last few months, because take a look, the price always in this range. Price was in one range, after that price broke up this range, bounced from it. And um, one more important stuff, when price broke up this range and bounced from it, up move didn't continue. It's a signal that there are some uncertainty on this currency pair. I do not recommend to trade it at this moment, because it's not clear. It's better will be to find some key entries levels on a week, and if I will find something, I will post it here on TradingView. That's why follow me on TradingView, and you will be able to get it when it will appear. Okay. Australian dollar. As always, start from daily chart. I always recommend to all of you to start from daily chart, because key movements you will be able to see only on daily candles. And about Australian dollar. Price bounced from this key level, bounced down, but didn't broke down all this stuff. At this moment, price still in bearish zone, in sell zone. There will be a really great place to open entry if the price will break up this key level, fixable, and after pullback, it will be good entry with potential profit 71.94, more than 100 pips. In these cases, it's not good place to open sell because good place was here, and it is not good place to open buy. That's why friends wait on some centrality. Right, please. Is it clear? Yes, I'll do gold, silver, British pound. I already done. You'll be able to see it after this webinar. Friends, push like, and when you join this webinar, just write about yourself and where you're from. For me, it will be really okay. Coincidence. Yuri, a question here. Yesterday, I came upon a different trading style of someone who only used trade lines as a means of breakout and hates support and resistance, thinking they are consequence. About that stuff, M, you need to understand that big players, when they accumulate some positions, they always hunt off on stop losses of public of other guys, and under or above key levels most of the people set their stop losses, and that's why it is one of the best places where you can open entry with good risk reward ratio, because as a trader risk reward ratio it is the most important stuff. These guys has different system, and to judge it I need to see it because I didn't see the system. About support, how it can be a coincidence if for example the a place where price changed it how it could be a coincidence if the price for example change trend or for example like on British pound, take a look, um, how how it could be, how it could be really something strange if take a look, one two three four five times price bounced from one key level. That means that someone holds this level and want to move the instruments down. That's why key levels appears, because big players want to protect their position. That's why it is really important. That's all. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, I'll do all GBP pairs. ICT, I didn't read about ICT system. My system based on key levels. What do you think about that? Okay, am I wrote? Okay, okay. Okay, let's go. Go ahead. Australian, and also take a look on New Zealand dollar, and after that we will do currency pairs which you would like to see. New Zealand dollar also the same stuff. Take a look. 1 2 3 daily candles bounced from one key level and price moved down. At this moment, price still bearish. Price still in down move, downtrend. Golden rule of all trading, it's better to open entry to continue a trend than to on pullback. But take a look what happened a few days ago. Price made a fake broke of this key level. That's why from this point price can start powerful up move. It is not good to open entry here, but if the price will break up this key level after pullback, you will be able to open buy. to do stuff like this. Also, if there will be some retest of this key level and fake broke, also you'll be able to open buy. About sell, after this fake broke, it is not good to open sell from this point. If the price will break down and fix under this key level, it will be a good place to open sell to continue down move. Okay, friends, and let's go to currency pairs, which you wrote to me. Would like to see all currency pairs with British pound, with all GBP pairs. Okay, okay. Let's start from British pound, Japanese yen. Take a look. Price bounced from border of this range. A huge chance that price will continue this up move. I would recommend to wait on some pullback to this zone, and after that you can open buy. Open buy and with low risk. You will have stop loss, for example, 20, 40 pips, not more, and potential profit in a few times bigger. Only in that case, the best will be if the price will create limit level. Limit level it is when few candles bounce it in a row on 4 hour chart or daily chart, and after that open entry to continue. Because if you will open entry from current price, you will have stop loss 90 pips and potential profit only 1 to 2. It is really a low risk reward ratio. On Forex, you need to get 1 to 4 to be really profitable in long term, or to have success rate 80 or 90%. Okay, I'll do. Oil also will do. For a start, all currencies with British pound. Usman, right, please. Is it clear about British about British pound? If yes, just write it's clear. Okay, let's do British pound USD. I done. You will be able to see it. British pound Swiss franc. I would like to open a FXCM chart as always. For start, always pay attention on global picture, because only global picture will be able to see you something really important. Okay, understood. Also, bullish trend. Take a look. Also, powerful bullish trend. Recommend to you just after some pullback to open buy to continue up move. That's all. Something like this. Next goal, pay attention on this key level, because if the price will make, everything depends what the price will do the next. For example, if next will be for a start pullback, that will be a good entry to open buy and hold. But if the price first will hit this key level and make fake broke, there could be deeper pullback down. What's the next? British pound, Australian dollar. Take a look about Australian dollar. The same stuff. Price in powerful uptrend. For start, if there will be some pullback, fixation, limit level, you'll be able to open buy. But pay attention on this powerful move. Mostly after such powerful moves, price make a range, for example, like this, or make a pullback, for example, like this. That's why only if there will be pullback and limit level, you'll be able to open buy. But the big probability that price will hit this key level. It is, well, this key level, and price wasn't near this level so many times, and Depends how the price will react on this level. If there will be fake broke, daily candle will close under it. You'll be able to open sell. Uh, and that's all. Because after that, we need to see how the price will react on this level. This level will be really important on this currency pair. Okay, Canadian. Okay, let's do Canadian dollar. Also, take a look. After this huge accumulation, price started uptrend. After pullback, just open buy. Important level will be 77.98, from which price can make some pullback or bounce. Uh, the best will be to open buy near 75.82 with stop loss 40 pips, something like this. With such stop loss, you will be able to get risk reward 70 pips, not too big, 40 pips, 1 to 4. It's good risk reward ratio on Forex. Okay, New Zealand and New Zealand. New Zealand also in uptrend, and that's what you will need to do is to wait on some pullback. If the price will do some pullback or limit level, after that open buy. That's all in these cases. On New Zealand, really powerful next level will be this two New Zealand dollars versus one British pound, and this. Wait on pullback and just open buy. Okay, what else? Swiss franc. Okay, friends, let's open Swiss franc. About Swiss franc. Mhm. Take a look. The price between two key levels here. Also take a look. Price bounced 2 times from this key level. From this point, there is no good entry because main trend up. And to open sell from this point, it is really a silly decision because we never go against main trend on daily chart. It is the most powerful stuff in all trading. Only one thing which you can do is after some pullback to this level, you can open buy. Also, if the price will break down this level, daily candle will close under it. After pullback, you will be able to open sell. Only that stuff will create enough volume and liquidity to start a powerful down movement, even to this key level, because um, till the price above this key level, a lot of people open buy, and a lot of guys set their stop losses under these key levels. It is also about retail traders and bank traders because mostly they use such system like key levels. And when price broke down key level, it hits stop losses of buyers and it create new sell volume. That's why do the stuff which I said, which I told. Also about goals on this currency pair, you need to understand that next goal could be this key level because price was here only more than one 1.5 year ago, and that will be really powerful level. If the price will hit this key level, that will be really best place to open some entry. Okay, and what else? Gold and silver, yes, Cadian, and also the last currency pair will be Cadian. Friends, write please. Is it clear at this moment? Did you get everything? Maybe you have some questions about currency pairs, about what I just said, about some system about some levels which I made. Just write it, write clear, or write your question. I would love to see it here. Friends, I wait on your questions or clear. Write it. Just do it. Just do it with me. And don't forget to push like and share this video with your friends, because this lesson will record and you will be able to see it after a few days, something like that. Guys, come on. Great. Yes, we will do commodity next. Before it, only will do cat Japanese yen. Friends, write into the chat. What do you mean by short-term investment? It's intraday trading, because investment in trading it's different stuff. Clarify, please, your question. After that, I will be able to tell you something. Okay. And the last currency pair which we will do, Canadian dollar versus Japanese yen. Mhm. Okay, here. Okay. Okay, okay. Let's take a look for start on all this picture. We need to clarify it for ourselves. For start, what we see here. If be honest, structure on this currency pair is really horrible. Structure is really horrible. Price bounced from this zone. Price bounced from this zone. From this point, open sell is not good. Also, why sell? Because price made this down movement, made a pullback, pause, and after that, a huge chance that price will do second wave. Best idea to open entry will be after some pullback near this key level 83.23 and 3, and near this level, near the zone, to open sell to continue down move. Stop loss above this tail. About buy, it's hard to speak about buy at this moment. Good buy will be only if the price will hit this key level and open buy. And also other place where you will be able to open buy. One moment, because I cannot create this straight line. If the price will break up this key level and to continue up move. Friends, you need to understand that you must open entries in places where big players can accumulate volume. If big players accumulated volume, they will move instrument into their direction. Best places where they accumulate volume, it is key levels, because what means key levels? It's really powerful places above or under those. A lot of people set their stop losses, set their stop losses pending orders, something like that. When price hit these stop losses, big players take their volume, it's their liquidity, it's their fuel. Only in places where price do that stuff can we can open entries. For example, like this, price broke down all this zone. Take a look. A lot of people were in buy here. And when price broke it down, close under everything, most of them were stopped and they created new volume, new liquidity to move the instrument down. And after that, take a look. Take a look. They made a pullback. All guys who open sell and set their break even also were stopped, and also they created new volume. And after that, big players started move. Do not open entries after, for example, 100 pip move or something like that, because volatility can kill you. That's all. Great. Okay. Okay. That's why about Canadian dollar versus Japanese yen. Big probability that price will continue down move and will hit this key level 81.62. Okay. mm, Dear friend, about short-term ideas, I post it as ideas on TradingView. For example, like I did a few days ago for on Euro USD, on Platinum. For example, like here. Uh, for example, like dollar index. For example, euro. For example, Ripple, S&P. For example, like here, euro USD. For example, like this. Uh, when I do, when I see good ideas, I post it here. That's why to trade something on 1 4 hour chart, you'll be able when you will follow my ideas. About this moment, I show you my trading plans and key places where is the best to open entry. But because it is not wise to just open entry. Entry must be great. Okay. Okay, let's do gold and oil. Great to see it. Take a look, friends. Take a look. What's going on here? Gold is tricky at this moment, really so tricky, because take a look what gold has done. Gold just bounced from this key level. Take a look here. How many times the price bounced from this key level, key powerful level. Take a look also here. Just bounce it, and bounce it. I see that some guys accumulate huge position here. On gold, it will be really interesting to open buy, because if big players accumulate position here, they could start new powerful uptrend. And also gold second weekly candle close above this key level. It's a good signal that price will can continue up move. You need to understand, if the price will start up move, there could be some goals like this, this, or even this. There could be really huge powerful up move, and potential stop loss we should set under this low. There will be a really good probability and huge risk reward ratio. Okay, let's take a look on oil. Mhm. US oil, US oil in this downtrend. Also take a look, price made this fake broke. Huge chance that price will continue down more. I recommend from dear friend, you asked me, dear friend, you asked me about some idea which you can use, uh, about oil. It's really a huge chance that oil will continue down move, because oil closed under key level on daily chart, and there are a powerful down movement. That's why from Monday, that will be a good idea to sell oil with low stop loss. Okay, friends, what other instruments would you like to see? Right, please. What other instruments would you like to see? Gold. Okay, and let's go to cryptocurrency pairs, and we'll see what's going on. Great. Yes, BTC goes into its goal. First key level, next key level. Few seconds, friends, because I opened this stuff. I need to close it. Friends, about Bitcoin, about all this stuff. Price made this cycle with two waves. At this moment, it is not good to open buy because after this powerful move, better to wait on some pullback. The best will be to open buy on Bitcoin if the price will make a pullback, for example, to 5,572 uh, near into that area, and near that area to open buy, because Bitcoin started uptrend and huge chance that Bitcoin will move up, and that's all. Because trend was really powerful, and this trend started after this huge accumulation. That's why uh, the best will be to open buy after some pullbacks. And also about Ripple. Something going on with Ripple because Bitcoin rise and Ripple don't react. Take a look. Ripple in this range, in this accumulation, but the price don't do all the stuff which Bitcoin do. That means something wrong with this currency, with this cryptocurrency pair. Price near inside levels in 0.3125. Near this level, you will be able to open buy with gold for 0.37 cents. And that's all. But really huge chance that price will hit again this key level or even this historical, this low. What are the crypto Litecoin? Yeah, Litecoin also good. Take a look. Price made powerful up move. After that, a pullback. Price bounced from 100. Yes, it's powerful level. And Litecoin also after pullback, you can open buy. That's all. Because trend, take a look. Powerful uptrend. The only one stuff which you need to do is to open buy after some pullbacks. That's all. Okay. And let's open Ethereum versus Ethereum also weak, really weak. Price in uptrend, but I don't see really good reaction, good fixation. For example, price moved up, but price didn't fix above key level, above this high, and made this down move. Um, something wrong going on with this cryptocurrency pair. Uh, you can open buy from even from this point with stop loss above this low. Mm, okay, and also let's take a look on indexes. Index example. About take profit, mm, US oil. Mhm. Next key place where price will move on, it will be 60.40, something like this. Near that, near before it, you need to set your take profit. And also, friends, at the end, I will show you indexes. Before it, I want to tell you, if you want to learn how to analyze market properly to find key places where is the best to open entry, set stop losses, how to use proper risk management, write to me about education. I do face-to-face education. First lesson is free, where I can check your situation, what you need to do exactly you need to do to become better trader, and what mistakes you do. Also, we provide VIP signals. All entries which I open on my account personally, I send into signal community and account management. If you would like me to trade on your money or on profit share basis, just write to us. You can use these messengers, just push on link, and you will be able to write through a Telegram, WhatsApp, and Facebook Messenger. And also you can use this number which connected to Telegram or and WhatsApp. Okay, and And also let's take a look on some indexes. For example, DAX, German index. Take a look. Price consistently moves to this key level. A huge chance that price will break it up and will continue up move. Uh, what you can do when price will come close to this key level, you'll be able to set. You will be able to set buy stop with low risk and good potential reward. Uh, and S&P 500. S&P 500 really tricky at this moment because take a look 1 week. Because here is historical high. Price weekly candle close above it. Take a look here. Yes, price tried to make some pullback, but weekly candle close above. That's why huge chance that price still will continue up move. Also take a look on this range. Price just bounced it. It's like steps, foot doors, something like that. That's why after some pullback or fixation above this key level, you can open buy to continue. I don't see a really good signal that price will start powerful down move. Okay, huge chance, huge probability that price will hit 3000 level, and after that, we will see a powerful drop down because it is really historical. It is a powerful level which people pay attention of. That's why near that level you will be able to start uh, selling. Okay, okay, friends. If you have some questions, just write it here. Also, don't forget to write to us about signals education and account management. And also, friends, after this webinar, write a comment about this video. Do you enjoy it? Maybe you have some questions, maybe something we need to improve. Just write it into a comment here. Write it here like this. Write it here. And that's all. Okay, thank you all of you for your time. Have a great weekend. Bye.